Etna volcano eruption with a column of smoke as high as 8 kilometers. One of the recent eruptions was a plume of smoke as high as 8 kilometers from Etna, an Italian volcano located in Sicily. Smoke rises from the crater of Mount Etna after a small eruption. Red lava flows from the crater at an altitude of about 2,900 meters above sea level. Geologists confirmed that the volcanic activity stopped overnight. The nearby Catania airport was not affected by the ash. Etna is the most active volcano in Europe. Sicily's Etna volcano erupts again. Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology reported this Tuesday that the amplitude of the volcanic earthquake was increasing. Etna last erupted in late August. It coincided with the eruption of the Palma volcano, which destroyed 166 homes en route to the coast. Etna's volcanic activity began this Tuesday at approximately 6:15 local time, 4:15 GMT, with ash emission, and 40 minutes later the resumption of Strombolian activity shown in the crater, Strombolian autonomous. The eruptive cloud generated by current activity had reached a height of 9 kilometers, visible from the cities of Catania and Palma, and, according to forecast models, is disappearing in a northeasterly direction.